Welcome to MedConnect, your source for health and wellness insights. Before we dive into today's important topic, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below to stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's embark on a journey toward understanding and coping with depression. Depression is a common and debilitating mental health condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It can manifest in various ways, including persistent sadness, loss of interest in activities, changes in appetite and sleep, and difficulty concentrating. While depression can be challenging to overcome, there are effective coping strategies that can help manage symptoms and improve overall well-being. In this video, we'll explore practical strategies for coping with depression, providing insights into self-care practices, therapeutic approaches, and lifestyle modifications that can promote emotional well-being. Subscribe to MedConnect and hit the bell icon to be notified when we upload a new video. Practical coping strategies for depression. 1. Acknowledge and accept. The first step towards coping with depression is acknowledging its presence and accepting that it's a real and valid struggle. Denial or self-blame only exacerbates the condition. 2. Seek professional help. While coping strategies are valuable, seeking professional help is essential for effective treatment. A therapist can provide personalized support, therapy, and medication if necessary. 3. Prioritize self-care. Depression can drain energy and motivation, making self-care even more important. Nurture your physical and mental health by maintaining a healthy diet, engaging in regular physical activity, getting enough sleep, practicing relaxation techniques like meditation or yoga. 4. Connect with supportive people. Social isolation can worsen depression. Surround yourself with supportive friends, family members, or support groups who understand your struggles and can offer encouragement and companionship. 5. Break down tasks. Depression can make tasks seem overwhelming. Break down large projects into smaller, manageable steps to reduce feelings of overwhelm and promote a sense of accomplishment. 6. Engage in enjoyable activities. Depression can diminish pleasure and motivation. Make time for activities you used to enjoy, even if it seems difficult at first. Rediscovering hobbies or pursuing new interests can boost mood and overall well-being. 7. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness techniques, such as focusing on the present moment and accepting your thoughts without judgment, can help manage negative thoughts and reduce stress. 8. Seek help for substance use. Self-medicating with alcohol or drugs can worsen depression. If you're struggling with substance use, seek professional help to address the underlying issues. 9. Be patient and kind to yourself. Recovery is a journey, not a race. Be patient with yourself, celebrate small victories, and avoid comparing your progress to others. 10. Remember, you're not alone. Depression is a common condition, and you're not alone in this struggle. Many people face similar challenges and have successfully managed their depression. It's important to acknowledge that coping with depression is a journey, and it might not always be easy. But remember, every step you take, no matter how small, is a step toward healing. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress, no matter how gradual it may seem. Visualize your goals and aspirations. Whether it's pursuing a hobby, advancing in your career, or building meaningful relationships, envisioning a brighter future can be a powerful motivator. Remind yourself of your strengths and resilience. You've overcome challenges before, and you have the inner strength to navigate through this as well. You are capable and deserving of happiness and fulfillment. Remember, you have the strength and resilience to overcome depression. With the right coping strategies, professional support, and self-compassion, you can navigate the depths and emerge stronger and more resilient. Best of luck on your journey towards brighter days.